really excited to be carrying EASYJoint. Again, this is a product that you're going to wash into your sand joints. I'm a firm believer in this. We did a project 8 years ago, holding up extremely well. This is a sealed bag, so it's vacuum sealed, and it keeps the air out. So what actually activates this and makes it cure is when it does dry. So you take this product out. All you need is an open grade base. So you want a free draining base, and you want about 3/16 inch joint is probably the smallest I would really recommend. So 3/16 joint or greater, go up to 5-inch joint, but tremendous product, extremely durable. We're carrying all 5 colors, which you can see on our website. And again, the 2 reasons really, the durability, being able to work in wet and inclement weather, so you can wash this product in if it's raining out, no problem. If say you want to cut wet and your pavers are all wet, instead of having to torch them and dry them before you use normal polymeric sand, this here is a wet-based product. You're going to dump it out and just wash it in. So a lot of advantages, extremely durable, and if I hadn't done a project 8 years ago and seen how well it holds up, I would never be considering carrying this product. But due to its durability, ability to clean it, pressure wash it, and also another thing, it is permeable, so water does penetrate down through the sand. So great product. You want to give it a try, you can go online, order it, or call the office and we can walk you through it.